Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on adaptive power mode in iOS 26 to help your phone to save battery automatically. This feature adjusts performance in the background so your battery lasts longer without using anything. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Setting app. Tap on Battery. This is where all battery related features are located. Inside the battery section, look for the adaptive power mode. Once you see it, tap the switch to on. When enabled, your phone will reduce background activity when needed, adjust performance automatically, help extend battery life throughout the day. You don't need to control it manually, it works on itself. Still in battery, you will see low power mode. You can turn it on when your battery is low for extra saving. Adaptive power mode works quietly in the background while low power mode is best for emergency. Adaptive power mode improves over time as you use your phone daily. iOS learn which app you use most, when to reduce power, how to balance performance and battery. Just keep it turn on and let it do the work. That's it, you have successfully learned how to turn on adaptive power mode in iOS 26 on your iPhone. That's it, that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in next one.